guys, it's Stephanie and Norman with Pasties.com. Today I'm here to give a little bit of an education on how to get more than one use out of a pair of pasties. We make this fantastic product called Pasties Refills, and we have for well over a decade now. Pasties Refills run for $11.99 on Pasties.com. They are shape specific and offered in our more simple shapes. And they are a product that is just our usual white liner you're familiar with that's on the back of the pasty. And it's liner on both sides. It's essentially a double stick tape, but it's our medical grade adhesive encased in liner. Each pack has 6 pieces of refills, so you could get 3 more uses out of a pair of pasties that you love. All of our refills come with 6 nipple pads that if you want to place in the center of your pasty prior to placing on, those are there for you. I know a lot of our customers love our little nipple pads to just make for a more gentle removal or protection of any piercings. So those are in there. There's a couple ways to handle your refills. You have a shape, you buy the specific shape of refill and you line it up perfectly so to your refill. I would do this by removing the liner of my pasty, and I'm just down here doing this. And then I need to line it back up just perfectly so. For me, that's a little annoying, and that's just me. I'm temperamental. Watch out. A lot of our customers are very good at this and prefer ordering their specific shape of refill to use. But sometimes they go on a little crooked, and then I need to trim the thing, and then it's not gonna stick quite perfectly. You know, it'll still stick. I've got, you know, the majority of my real estate's covered, but I wanna get this lined up, and I'm doing this quick right now. I could do a better line-up job, but I would wanna line this up as evenly as possible, trimming any excess adhesive so I don't get any dirt or dust, debris, sweater lint, etc. stuck to that adhesive sticking out. And once that's done, once I'm all trimmed up and even, I just want to really press my pasty on this new piece of liner. And then once that's done, I'm just ready to peel and stick again to my breast, wear it out, love it up, and I'm good to go. Option 2 is to buy one of our larger refills, and this would be my preferred option. And to, when I'm ready to use the refill, peel off the sticky layer, place the pasty on here, and then just trim this excess adhesive, press it, and I'm ready to wear again. I like this option. I think it's just the easy and the fastest way to do this. Our large refills like this are one of our more popular refills. And I think it's also a great way to get a little clever with some of our shapes to reuse those. So some of our a lot of our larger shapes and intricate shapes don't come with refills, but I do know we have customers that order this large circle. They'll place, we'll say, a leaf down, and what they do is trim some of this excess when they're shaping it out to the shape, and they'll keep these little pieces and then pop them on their corners or the tips. So that's also a way to kind of makeshift a refill for a larger pasty, or again, just keep it simple, line it up in there. And our hearts, stars, and pluses will all fit within this circle. The plus is a little, you have a little bit of overage, but not much. So those are some options there for the refills. Refills are our same medical grade adhesive. Yes, they are still waterproof, still sweat proof and all of that. You just want to make sure you really press the refill down onto that adhesive so that it just kind of adheres there better. Another fun use for the refills would be to customize your own glitter pair. When you're ready to do it, you peel off the top adhesive and you could sprinkle your own craft glitter on top. You could do like an ombre, fade, whatever. Blow off the glitter, peel off the backing, place it on. I have known some customers that like these, and on occasion they might hack up a pair to use as little fashion tape tidbits. It's just there, and then you could, you know, pin down your blouse, skirt, whatever. So those are a couple extra uses for the Pasties refills. Again, they retail at Pastease.com for $11.99. You get 6 pieces of adhesive, which is enough for 3 uses, additional uses of a pair of pasties. So that is one way to get multi-uses out of a pair of pasties, or several styles for that matter, for a really reasonable cost. If you're just into re-wearing pasties altogether, you might check out the Pasties Everyday line, which is our reusable line. The two would be a similar cost, a pair of Pasties Plus refills or the Everyday. You can check out both at Pastease.com. I think that is all Norman and I have to say for now. Anything to add? He doesn't. So that's it for now. If you have any questions on this product, please leave a comment and I will personally get back to you. Like and subscribe and do all those kind-hearted things because we appreciate you. And you can of course find us on Instagram at Pasties, and Pinterest and Facebook and all of that, and Pastease.com is our website. So that is all for now. I hope you feel a little bit smarter in your pasties education. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.